Hello, friends. Welcome back to Little Rainbow. Today, we are going to the farm. Are you ready to meet the animals? Let's go! This is a cow. The cow says, moo, moo. Can you say moo? Good job. This is a sheep. The sheep says, baa, baa. The sheep has soft, fluffy wool. This is a chicken. The chicken says, cluck, cluck. A chicken lays eggs for us to eat. This is a duck. The duck says, quack, quack. A duck loves to swim in the water. This is a pig. The pig says, oink, oink. The pig loves to roll in the mud. This is a horse. The horse says, neigh. A horse can run very, very fast. This is a dog. The dog says, woof, woof. A dog is a very good friend. This is a cat. The cat says, meow. A cat is soft and fluffy. Yay! You met all the farm animals today. Cow, sheep, chicken, duck, pig, horse, dog, and cat. Which one is your favorite? Thank you for watching Little Rainbow. See you next time. Bye-bye.